Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on two-factor verification on Instagram. The first thing you do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom of your Instagram account, tap on edit profile, go all the way down, tap on personal information settings, then you go back and tap on password and security. Tap on two-factor authentication, tap on the account, you can choose authentication app or an SMS or WhatsApp method. I prefer SMS or WhatsApp method, where a code will be sent to your phone number or your WhatsApp account. And next you have to add phone number. So after entering the phone number you want to use, a confirmation code will be sent to the phone number via WhatsApp. It will take a minute for you to receive the code. Once you receive the code, you enter the code. If you don't want to get it through WhatsApp, you can choose get code via SMS instead. Then you enter the code and send through SMS. And then tap on next. And now two-factor authentication is on. Two-factor authentication is on. Now whenever a login code will be asked whenever you log in on a device that is not recognized by Instagram. If anytime you want to change your contact information, simply go to personal details section in the account center. And you can see a list of your backup codes by tapping on backup codes over here. So simple as that, so tap on done. That is how to turn on two-factor authentication on Instagram.